Hi everyone. This is our first opportunity to arrange a workshop for the students. On 17th of March 2019 LRC organized a workshop. CyberLearning, Advancing Your Academic Progress is the title of the workshop presented by Dr. Patricia Davis. 57 students attended this workshop. In this video you can hear students' views regarding the workshop.
Here, good afternoon. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so what do you think about the workshop?
I thought that it was very informative and introduced a lot of great topics that are very important to today's world, especially since learning is very vital for every person. It's in the education in general is very important for every person to have, and I feel like with the technology advancements today, we can do great things to make learning more personalized to each person's abilities.
Okay, so do you think this workshop will improve your employability?
Honestly, I'm not very sure, but it would be nice to, in the case of someone asking me about it, I would be able to at least give a very brief introduction and mention that I actually got introduced to it while I was at this university.
Okay, any topic that you can suggest for the future workshop?
Since I'm a computer science major, I feel like I personally would like to focus more on machine learning, technologies like natural language processing, which we presented today, and artificial intelligence and whatnot, and basically dealing with machinery as if it is another human being that we are able to teach with training data and whatnot. That is something that I strive to learn more about in the future.
Thank you.
Dear, what do you think about this workshop?
Hello, my name is Ashtan. The workshop was so interesting because we learn about technology, how to help us in our life, and how to study, relate with technology.
Okay. Do you think this workshop will improve your employability?
Yeah, because when some girls will talk in the technologies help to learn English, that was interesting, and I know some people who improve their self and their skill from the technology.
Okay. Any topic that you can suggest for the future workshop?
I don't know, but it is like if they mention like more application or something to help the people, student to improve their skills for a course or something like that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you think about the workshop?
I'm really glad that I'm attend this workshop because I'm really interested in the cyber learning or even the cybersecurity things, because I do have a really big interest in this workshops or even events. I have learned that it is very helpful for the students, even for the doctors, and how to a new way of thinking.
Okay, so do you think this workshop will improve your employability?
Very much, very much, in a very high level, and yes, it will be the new world.
Okay, so any topic that you can suggest for the future workshops?
Any topics that I can suggest for
the future workshop or anything?
Okay, I think we had to do a more specific details and more in this world, in the cyber learning world, because it's really a deep kind of world. It's just not just that basic.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
What do you think about this workshop?
The workshop that was here, actually, it's it's a good way of learning something. Like when you're sitting there having nothing to do, you can just come here and learn something, and yes, you can like benefit yourself with.
Okay. Do you think the workshop will improve your employability?
Yes, it will. It changes with your the way you think and the way you can like develop something in the future and help someone other when you could be help from a teacher, such as they're like transforming their information to us, so we can one day like give our information to
To
someone
others?
else. Yes.
Okay. Any topic that you can suggest for the future workshop?
Uh, I really wish that all topics will be in cyber security and so on, because I'm a fan of this.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Thank you.
Afternoon. Can I ask you a question? Okay, what do you think about the workshop?
The workshop was great, very informative. I've learned a lot. I haven't been exposed to this topic before, so it was a great starter.
Okay. Do you think this workshop will improve your employability?
Definitely, because I learned more stuff about the field, and I think that would give me an advantage.
Okay. Any topic that you can suggest for the future workshops?
More about machine learning and the field of computer science.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
CyberLearning workshop was very informative, and it added value for me for my information, especially the part where the young boy was talking about how it would enhance the student way of learning, not only having the information, throw the information to the student by their teachers, but also instead let them create and use their creative mind.
Okay. Do you think that this workshop will improve your employability?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Any topic that you can suggest for the future workshop? If you're interested for any topic that you want us to arrange workshop for this?
Maybe sustainability.
Sustainability.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
As you can hear, the students considered that this workshop was really useful and informative for them. PMU Professional Development Center plans to provide informative workshops in the future. Thank you.